Welcome to our room tour on the Carnival Venezia, room number 12204. This is a beautiful room with a beautiful balcony. No one to the right of you, as that is the massage room. Up above, the balconies do look down onto this balcony somewhat, but not fully. Nice divider wall between you and the next cabin. This was a beautiful room for our 12-day cruise out in New York. Nice large TV on the wall. Plenty of room. The couch was fantastic, and it was nice having that table to put our stuff on. The counter was more than big enough to hold the laptop while we worked. Beautiful bathroom. Loved the glass shower and the decor of gold accents. Nice closets, lots of hanging space and hangers. Nice thing about this room is that it's on its own separate hallway for the spa. Nice hanging behind the door, lots of room, beautiful location. Do another quick little walkthrough just from a different perspective. Again, the bathroom is quite nice. There is a plug for your shaver beside the mirror. There was shampoo and body wash in the shower. The couch easily sat 3 people. There was 2 120 volt and 2 USB plugs by the desk there. Again, beautiful balcony, and nice not having anyone to the one side of you. Deck 14 was right above us.